To use Cash App at McDonald's. Start by ensuring you have the Cash App installed on your mobile device and that you have a verified account with a linked bank account or debit card. First, open the Cash App and navigate to the Cash Card section, where you will find your unique Cash Card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. When you are ready to make a purchase at McDonald's, let the cashier know that you would like to pay using a debit card. They will then prompt you to swipe or insert your card. But since you are using the Cash App, you will need to provide the cashier with the Cash Card details. Provide the cashier with the 16-digit Cash Card number, the expiration date, and the security code. They will then process the payment as they would with any other debit card. Alternatively, you can also use the Cash App to generate a QR code that can be scanned by the McDonald's cashier to process the payment. To do this, open the Cash App and navigate to the Cash Card section. Then select the option to generate a QR code. Show the QR code to the cashier, who will scan it to process the payment. Make sure you have sufficient funds in your Cash App account to cover the cost of your purchase. It is also important to note that some McDonald's locations may not accept the Cash App, so it is always a good idea to check with the cashier before attempting to make a purchase. By following these steps, you can easily use the Cash App to make purchases at McDonald's, providing a convenient and contactless way to pay for your meals.